My name's Kevin Pike and we are Halstead Community Shed. Halstead Community Shed is a self-help organisation and we support a range of activities here, but one of the main ones which we're involved with is the men's shed, which helps support primarily older men, but we will support any men that are lonely, isolated. The main aim is to prevent depression and suicide. We tend to work with other community groups, local councils, etc., and we will take on basically anything that they want. So last week we were working on a bench for Halstead Hospital. This week we're working on notice boards for Soul Food, which is a charity that provides food to a group of people. And next week we've got Halstead in Bloom that wants something else doing. So it's a range of different activities. We've got quite a large range of machines. We've been very lucky with funding. So we have a C331 combination machine, which is a planer, thicknesser, saw, spindle moulder all in one. We've got a cross-cut saw, we've got sanders, we've got a bandsaw, we've got a lathe. Some of the equipment has been given to us, and some we've purchased.
Well, in this case, it's important people are trained for health and safety reasons, to meet pure guidance, and to make sure that they're essentially safe. A company and organisation's got two reasons for training, and that's financial and moral. In this case, it's a real moral reason for training, because obviously they want to come here, do what they've got to do, they're not being paid. It's making sure they go home safe, got all the fingers, no injuries, no problems, no issues. So it's important for them to be trained. But obviously there's the legal requirement as well to make sure that they meet the requirements and make sure that they're not doing anything they shouldn't be doing, which I think they've proved that they've learned quite a bit. They are a registered charity and it's a good organisation. It's men that come together to create and make things for the community. So they get tasked with making items for the community, to help the community, and it helps them because one, it gives them a little bit something to do. It's a bit of a hobby. It gets them out the house, and maybe that's not a big issue with some people, but a lot of men do struggle with getting out the house once they've retired. They lose that work ethic, they lose the mates, they lose the banter, they lose all that sort of attitude, and so they come here to talk to people. It's a social thing that, obviously safety comes into it. But yeah, so it was a good charity to get into, and it's nice to give a little bit something back to the industry and charities and organisation. We do quite a few of those over the year, one way or other. They are a fantastic group of lads, absolutely brilliant. We can talk, we can chat, we can get on with work, very hard working, absolutely brilliant.
We chose Dalton Walking because in reality they offer the flexibility to train on other machines where a lot of organisations don't. Fielder don't actually, supplied most of our main machines, don't offer a training setup. So we needed training because all our people are amateurs. Some of them never even been in front of some of these machines before. So for a safety reason, we need to make sure everybody has an understanding. It's been a very good experience. We've been able to liaise with Dalton Watkin, and the training has been excellent. The guys were just saying just now how beneficial it's been. They've learned a lot and they feel more confident, which is the most important thing. We've got some big machines which scare people. They now have the confidence to go and actually physically use the machine. And for some of them, the training may be the first time they've used it.